Now if you remember when I first got the bike, it came with this exhaust, which was probably all the rage at the time. But I wanted the bike to be as original as possible, and I didn't think I'd manage to get hold of a set of original exhausts, but I did manage to get hold of this set. Also, I've sprayed the exhaust. Now I was in two minds whether to do it or not. It was a genuinely honest exhaust, you know, it had a few scuffs and scratches on it, but possibly too many for me to deal with. So I did spray it, and it looks okay. I kind of regret doing it. It did have that finish that made it look kind of like a nickel sort of shiny effect, but then there were a lot of scratches on it, so I think I may regret spraying it, but there we go. Okay, so this is where we are at the moment. I've been doing little things like putting some of the plumbing back in, some of the brackets, stands, centre stands, chain guards. So now to get the exhaust on, I'm going to struggle to get it past the frame of the stand. So I'm going to keep the bike on the stand, and what you can see I've done here, I've supported the back end. So I'm going to take those stands off and then just lower the bike slightly so the brackets aren't in the way of the exhaust. Okay, I didn't particularly like the way that was wobbling around, so I'm just going to do one side at a time. Okay, so I've got some new copper seals for the exhaust manifold. A good idea to help them hold in place whilst you're putting the exhaust in is to put a little bit of grease on them. Just helps them stay in place. Okay, now I've gone for the old cling film trick on this one again, just to stop it scratching. Okay, as you can see, I've lowered the bike slightly. I was getting a bit nervous with it wobbling around at height, so there's not so far for it to fall now. Now this is definitely a two-man job, but I'm on my own today, so I have to try my best. So I'm going to just try to get these manifold clamps on ever so slightly, so they don't keep falling away every time I fiddle with the bike. Okay, so I've loosely attached this end so it doesn't keep falling off when I'm doing the front piece. Okay, that's done up quite snugly. Let's do the other side. Okay, so part 2. And again, let's try and get a couple of these just gently on. I think the easiest thing on this side is to take the footrest back off, and then maybe bolt the exhaust to the footrest and then take it back up. I can't find the original nut, but this will do for a minute till I come across it. There we go. One original exhaust fitted. Okay, there we go. So we're starting to look a bit more like a motorbike. Okay, if you like that, please hit the like button and join me in the next video.